Today we'll show you how to find your product key in your Windows activation. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow this is steps. Okay, first go here and open this is the first here with the right with your mouse with the right, and go here, click, and now go now to click to here and go to this. Okay, and you can just click Windows R, okay, only this, and click here like a rigid edit, like RUGADAT. Okay guys, like this, and go now. Okay, and click now yes, and finally hey now. Okay, first just go to 8K local machine like this, and go now to software here, and go now here to click like Microsoft here, just click and put it down, and go to click to Windows NT. Wait one second. Windows NT here, just click and go now to current version like this, and now just click like this guys, and finally here to go only one second guys, go to software protection here, and finally here we will find our this is key here, and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.